Alright, it's your boy Jay Wood back with another video, man. We're gonna do Digistore 24 product. I'm gonna try to make this quick, at least 15 minutes. So here's the product we're gonna promote: Smart Blood Sugar, using Microsoft advertising. So we're gonna go ahead and create a campaign. Visits to my website, search ads, nets, campaign name, Smart Blood Sugar, 25 hours a day, United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand. Oh, I spelled it wrong. United Kingdom. Unclick this. Save and go to the next step. Add group name. Lower blood sugar. Gonna use this list of keywords right here. You can pause the video and go copy this if you want. Exact phrase match. Make keyword list. Copy. Paste this in here. Add new ad group. I'll use this. How to reverse diabetes. Grab these words. Copy. Paste this in our next ad group. Save. Ad group name. Let's put reverse. Now create campaign. We can put, let's see, something like how to lower blood sugar. Pin this to the first, pin this to the second, and pin this to the third. Watch this secret hidden video. Get instant access. Okay, now we could do, let's go to the affiliate support page. For the support page, they have ad headlines right here. As you can see, we're going to use some of these descriptions. What doctor isn't telling you about diabetes. Some description. Top doctor. Paste that. That's a little bit too much. Paste that down here. Second description. Okay, I have a website. I'm going to use my own website I created. I'll show you guys the website. This is the website we're using for this. So I'm going to paste this up in here. Tracking link, gonna grab from ClickMagick, copy this. Type in these token, save. Copy, add. Copy, add, make another one. You're going to change the headline. Let's see if we can grab one. Let's see if we can fit this. That might be too much. Let me see. All right, I'm about to do just one of my own. How to reverse diabetes. Save. Then we do how to work reverse type 2 diabetes. Hopefully that fits. Okay, this is a different ad group, so we can add the same ads in this and see if it do better in this ad group as well. Put a capital H. This one, there we go. Now we can save and go to the next step. Gonna do maximize clicks. I'm gonna do 25 cents a click. Add distribution. Microsoft Ads. Save. And this is the case study. I'm gonna run this case study for 3 days and see how we do, whether we make a sale or not. I'll let you guys know. In the meanwhile, like, subscribe, comment. Follow me on Instagram at JWillTV. I'm out.